Good evening, respected scholars and other participate who here participated in the cloud-based conference by SBI Technologies. I would like to introduce myself. I, Dr. Lova Balji, working as Assistant Professor of Finance and adopt the department in the Department of Management Studies in Avanti Institute of Engineering and Technology, Makvarpalam, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. My topic is review study on computational healthcare system and sustainability goals. Sustainability goals usually refer to money saved, energy conversion, waste diverted, water recycled, or any other easily understand metric. But a clear connection between sustainability and a hospital mission in an understandable language and with a factual basis rarely occurs. The connection between sustainability and mission must extend to effective management of the healthcare environment, social interaction between patient and healthcare provider, community based healthcare approaches, and the utilization of current technology. The mission must have measurable goal and objective that support sustainability and the ability of a health system to thrive in the ecological, social and economical environment. This paper gives a review study on healthcare system and sustainability goals. Environmental sustainability has assumed a large role in the collective conscience of the American public environment stewardship in the expected norm for healthcare provider. Corporate social responsibility reports and typical bottom line reports are standard response that consequence. Many hospitals in extensions to nearing the end of their lifespan and will undergo renovation and replacement. The management of the building and properties and sustainable manner is an obvious next step. Renewable energy conversion, access to mass transportation, recycling, building reuse, and green building design and construction serve. But a flow of the sustainability issue that healthcare industry can directly impact. Conversation is a viable mission objective that is a seen as positive impact on the plant, people, and profit. When the mission objective include the patient-centric medical home services model, the management of care is a centrally located, term-oriented, continue of coordinating and tracking care over time. From parental and physical fitness to long-term and palliative care. While it is not always practices construct brand new specialty to house those all nuclear services. Concentrated effort through renovation, reuse, and alliance partnership can accomplish this robust mission goal. Social sustainability, social sustainability refer to the ability or opportunity that each individual has to create or experience a full extent in this term of intellectual, emotional, spiritual, and psychological health. Unquestionable, the focus on social sustainability is at the heart of human mission of the healthcare industry. Owners of healthcare property as well as those who provide service are looking towards a broader view of healthcare towards population health. Individual campuses are challenged to define their contribution to the health of community in which they are located from micro and macro settings. While hospital must operate the positive financial state, economical sustainability speak to more than a hospital providing a property. Economic sustainability meaning in part of the specialty continue to the offer healthcare services to those with inadequate means to pay with not for profit hospital that is often part of their central mission, but it is should resonate with the healthcare facility in community a primary strategies for healthcare provider maintaining profitability is seeking solution to Preventive care healthcare system also many need consider border strategy of integrated service that specialize in parental care, health, fitness promotions and primary diseases prevention specialties and services directed at the function many require collaboration with non-health providers such as for profit non for profit philanthropist and foundation trustees. The meaningful use of documentation related to practices such as electronic health records represent a sourceable technology advantages that has the potential cut cost, make sharing of potential information easier and decrease the medical errors. Technology is also advantages for the monitoring the managing patient health. He, it can be used to not only treat disease but to also diagnose disease and communicate treatment. For example, wireless communication device used by the key staff in hospitals and remote sites such as a doctor's office or even the life flight helicopter can be essential to provide care outside of any one room department or building in real time. Attempting to the remove the characterization of sustainability and sustainable development rating system approaches to the allow for the objective assessment or measurable assessment of sustainable practices such as leadership in energy and environmental design, green guide for healthcare, British research establishment environmental assessment method, green globes, continual improvement of existing building for healthcare among their ease of offers a system of credits given healthcare providers to the address sustainability, operational and management of entire healthcare facility and building portfolios. Every day, hospitals, health systems, physically practices, and other healthcare organizations contribute to the billions of pounds of medical and urgent wastage, much of which can be harmful to the environment if not disposed of properly. If these substance leaks into the surrounding landfill and waterway, they can potentially damage ecosystem and cause negative health issue for community. By developing sustainability program that ensure waste is currently collected, segregated, treated and disposed of each and every time, healthcare organizations can be confident understandable material will not make their way into the environment. Many communities have strict rules surrounding how waste the recycling segregated and treated. If healthcare organization doesn't closely follow those rules, can drill their community recycling and waste disposal effort, potentially pollute and environmental and incur costly fines. As such, it is critically instill in still comprehensive medical waste disposal program that ensure your staff consistently and correctly segregate all medical hazards as sharp and drug waste. The program should include clear process for addressing a different waste stream to make sure they are rendered harmless. Not only is this good for environment, it can help your organization avoid costly uh, ramification to its reputation and balance it. Due to their underlying missions, healthcare organizations have duly responsibility to safeguard patients, staff, and community. And a strong sustainability program is key part of that. Such program essential reducing the organization carbon footprint, making sure harmful substance don't get into landfill and water system, and managing interior operations to conserve resource such as by employing reusable constraints where possible, engaging robust recycling, developing programs that mitigate the risk of environmental contaminations and so on. At Structurally, we have to strong commitment to the preventing environmental engaging in the sustainable practices. Our company has safe treated more than 1.7 billion pounds in the medical waste and managed more than 1 billion pounds in hazard waste. We have prevented over 48 million pounds the plastic from entering the environment by offering reusable, safe, and constraining and stopped behind 70 million pounds of pharmaceutical from getting into the landfill and surrounding waste waterways. Let our passion for your organization environmental prevention and effort. The connection between sustainability and mission must extend effective management, the healthcare environment, social interaction between patient and healthcare provider, community-based healthcare approaches, and utilization of current technology. The mission must have measurable goals and objectives that support sustainability and the, the ability of health system to thrive in ecological and social and economical environment. This paper has given a review study on healthcare system and sustainability goals. Thank you for giving opportunity to SBI Technologies, and thank you to all.